Namaskar. I am Dr. T.G. Mirge, Associate Professor, Srimati LRT College of Commerce. I am going to deliver a lecture for MCOM Semester 2 students, and the subject is Accounting for Managerial Decision, and the topic is budget. In the last lecture, in the last two lectures, we have already learned the sales budget and purchase budget. Now, we are going to learn the production budget. So, this is the example of production budget on your screen. The Koldan company plans to sell 1,08,000 units of a certain product line in the first fiscal quarter, 1,20,000 units in the second quarter, 1,32,000 units in the third quarter, and 1,56,000 units in the fourth quarter, and 1,38,000 units in the first quarter of the following year. At the beginning of the first quarter of the current year, there are 18,000 units of product in the stock. At the end of each quarter, the company plans to have an inventory equal to 1/6 of the sales for the next fiscal year quarter. This is very important. At the end of each quarter, the company plans to have an inventory equal to 1/6 of the sales for the next fiscal year quarter. So how many units must be manufactured in each quarter of the current year? Now we have to solve this example. So this is answer on your screen. Production budget. There are 5 columns: particulars, first quarter, second quarter, third quarter, and fourth quarter. First, we have to note sales budget. In our example, this figure is already given: 1,08,000, 1,20,000, 1,32,000, and 1,56,000. So we have to put up it 1,08,000, 1,20,000, 1,32,000, and 1,56,000. Add stock required. This is very important adjustment. So at the end of each quarter, the company plans to have an inventory equal to 1/6 of the sales for the next financial quarter. So for first quarter, next is 1,20,000. So 1,20,000 of 1/6 of 1,20,000 means we have to divide it by 6. 1,20,000 multiply 1/6 equal to 20,000. This is the stock for first quarter. Then second quarter, there is a figure of 1,32,000. We have to calculate it 1/6. 1,32,000 into 1/6 equal to 22,000. Then 1,56,000 into 1/6, it will be 26,000. And last 23,000, it will be calculated on 1,38,000. 1,38 units in the first quarter of the following year. This is the figure. So 1,38,000 multiply 1/6 equal to 23,000. So these are the stock we have to require, and we have already calculated it by 1/6 of the next fiscal quarter. So 1,08,000 plus 20,000, 1,28,000. Let's talk in the beginning, 18,000. This figure is already given in example, 18,000 units of the product in the stock. So 18,000, 1,28,000 minus 18,000, 1,10,000. Then second quarter, 1,20,000 plus 22,000 equal to 1,42,000. Now let's stock in the beginning, 20,000. So opening stock of the last quarter, it become closing stock is the next quarter. So 20,000 become the closing stock for next quarter, 20,000. 1,20,000, 1,42,000 minus 20,000, 1,22,000. Then 1,32,000 plus 26,000 equal to 1,58,000 less closing stock. So the opening stock of last quarter, it become closing stock next quarter. This 22,000. This is the opening stock. It will become closing stock. 22,000. 1,58,000 minus 22,000. 1,36,000. 1,56,000 add stock required 23,000 equal to 1,79,000 less stock in the beginning. The opening stock of third quarter, it become closing stock for the fourth quarter, 26,000. 1,79,000 minus 26,000. The answer is 1,53,000. So the estimated production for first quarter 1,10,000, second quarter 1,22,000, third quarter 1,36,000, and fourth quarter 1,53,000. So this is the production budget. Thank you.